This might be the first review your own car on a car that insurance has tried to designate as a total loss vehicle. More on that in a minute. My name is Kyle. We've done a couple review your own cars on vehicles. This is our 1991 Jeep. It is, as you can see, a two-door. It is a 5-speed. It is a 4-wheel drive. Apparently, from what I've read, there were 155,000 Jeep XJ Cherokees made in 1991, and about 2,200 that were made in the two-door, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. Others out there might be smarter than I am, know more information about that. That's the number I heard, 2,200 and some odd, 29 years ago, maybe 30. So what we've got here is, we've owned it for about 2 or 3 years, closer to 3 years. I've loved it. Right now on this stance, as you can probably see, it's got bigger tires than it's really supposed to because we need to lift it. Got a good deal on the tires, so we put them on. We took it up to the mountains in the snow last season, and I needed tires, so we put the tires on and survived going up to the mountains for a full day of snow while it was coming down. This thing was a trooper the whole time. It's been a great Jeep. Really liked it a lot. Let's show you some features about it. All right. Not all of them have the quarter vents that pop out. We'll show you that in a minute. Similarly, that's an easy word to pronounce. These are often all one sheet of glass. These pop out as well. Other cute little features that we're still discovering, the pop out sport mirrors. Probably wasn't supposed to sound that squeaky, but oops. The alarm works. We're gonna turn that off. All right, up here on top, this is a Canadian spec car, and we bought it through the first owner. Look at this, like hockey stick type stuff going on here. I think that's absolutely hysterical. Remember, this is the reason why it's been designated, or the insurance company, high traffic area here. The reason why this has been supposedly designated as a salvage vehicle, a total loss, is our insurance company, USAA, has said it is a salvage vehicle based on a front-end collision, non-injury, one-person, single car a front-end, single car, non-injury collision, just about 8 weeks ago. So you'll see it. We'll get to that here in a minute. Let's see. Here we go. 4-wheel drive, as I mentioned, coming around here. This was the first year of the 4.0 liter high output engine, 190 horsepower. This is not a burner. It's a pretty stock car. As we're back here, I think I unlocked it. Let's check it out. This is the back of the vehicle. Pretty stock. Let's take this mat out just to give everybody a, there we go. Remember, this is the car that USA is designated saying, oh, that's a total loss. We got some new speakers up here we put in. The back seat folds down pretty simply. It's a pretty cool little feature just to throw additional things in there, like a transmission for our car that we did a transmission swap on. Let's see. So the rest of this here, hey, it looks the same on this side as it did on the other side. While we're over here, let's show you the inside of the car. So there's the inside of the car. And excess paper here. How dare we? Front mat, pretty cool. There's underneath there. Carpet's looking good. These fold down fully functionally. Get in there, take a little picture of the back of the vehicle. That seats 3. That's a bonus seatbelt in the middle there. So, pardon me, seats 3 in the back, seats 5 total. Let's turn this back. And let's start it up. I don't know when the last time we started it was, so we'll give it a shot. It's been sitting out here for a bit. Again, it was about 8 weeks ago. We had that front end collision. We'll show you that in a minute. 1991. Here we go. Let's see. There we go. Let's see if the engine was... I missed that. There we go. Oh, I told you we'd show you these. I love the quarter vents that pop out. I'm really glad we got the one that had those. Bonus ventilation, window mechanisms. I've heard these get real slow in cars this age, and specifically this model. Let's check the other window out too. Ooh, there it goes down there too. There we go. So that's on. How's that going? Oh, back here, check out these. Here we go. Hello. Got the pop outs back there too. That's kind of a cool feature. So again, it's about 162,000 miles. Again, we've had it maybe 10,000 of those, maybe 6,000 of those miles. Let us show you the front of the vehicle. This is the damaged part. Take a look. Now, this came with it, at least for us, and I understand it was stock. It did its job. This is pretty cool. This is a bummer because we just put a new radiator in it. Radiator's a little cracked now, so that's one of the parts that would have to be fixed. But basically, that is your total salvage lost car, according to USA. So again, I'm looking at this car and I'm thinking, how on earth could a fully functional car, I love the car, I'm a little partial to it, but the market's been fired up on this too. We've had a couple offers for it. I don't intend to sell it, but this is our 1991 two-door, 4x4, 5-speed Jeep XJ Cherokee. Thank you for enjoying our review.